Hello friends, did you know that one scientist introduced a theory that completely changed the way we understand life on Earth? Let's explore the fascinating story of Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin was born on 12 February 1809 in Shrewsbury, England. He was an English naturalist, biologist, and geologist. He passed away on 19 April 1882. He is best known for his theory of evolution by natural selection. In 1831, Darwin joined the work of HMS Beagle as a naturalist. The ship traveled around the world for 5 years. During this journey, Darwin observed and collected many plants, animals, fossils, and rocks from different places. These observations became the foundation of his research. After many years of study and research, Darwin developed his theory of evolution by natural selection. He explained the species change over time. Those with useful variations survive, reproduce, and pass their traits to the next generation. This process is called survival of the fittest. In 1859, Darwin published his famous book on the origin of species by means of natural selection. This book became one of the most important scientific works in history. It changed the way people understood life on Earth. Darwin also made important contributions to the study of plants, earthworm, and the origin of human. His ideas were new and different, and at first many people did not agree with him. But over time, his theory became widely accepted because of strong evidence and research. Darwin's work inspired many scientists and opened the door to modern biology. He showed that life on Earth has developed slowly over millions of years. Even after more than 160 years, Charles Darwin's theory of evolution continues to be the foundation of modern science. His curiosity, patience, hard work, and love for nature made him one of the greatest scientists in history. He teaches us the importance of observation, thinking, and never stop learning. Charles Darwin saw the world that every living organism has a story of evolution. His discovery became the foundation of modern biology and continue to inspire scientists across the globe. If you enjoy this amazing story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories about the world's greatest mind.